Alright, update. If your trunk release button is not working on your BMW Z3 and you've had to do the drill method to get it open, there's a cover here. Take that cover off with the trim tool, and then you'll see there are these two plastic clips right here. This one here and this one here. In my case, this back one broke. And that's the one that actually activates the release. The other one is for your lock. All you gotta do is go ahead on, I got these from Pelican Parts, and there's your part number. Buy yourself 2 clips. This way, if one is broken, you might as well just replace both of them. All you gotta do is take out 2 10mm bolts that are in here. You got one right there and one right there. You will need to pull this out of this one to get to that one. So once you have both of these little bars detached, pull those bolts out. Be very careful not to drop them inside your trunk. You'll then be able to pull the lock button release out, and then from there take a needle nose pliers and use this to pull out the old clips. You'll grab on to the clip like this with your needle nose pliers to pull them out of your release mechanism, as well as you'll use the same method to push the new ones in to the mechanism. Once those are in, go ahead and put the release button back in, bolt it back in place, and then once it's bolted back in place, go ahead and grab the rods and snap them back into those clips, and make sure you push hard enough to where you hear them click into place. And then you can test. If I lock it and I press my button, it now unlocks. And that's how you fix a broken button release.